First of all, you'll need to download the free project file from my Discord server. The link is in the description and also in the pinned comment. Inside the project, you'll find 3 compositions. The first one is the logo competition. Here you can drop in your logo PNG or even type out your logo text. Next is the spiderweb setting comp. This is where you can customize the spiderweb exactly the way you want. And finally, we have the render comp. Here you can adjust the final settings and preview your logo reveal animation. Once you're happy with how it looks, just go ahead and export your video. And hey, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to drop a like. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.